guys, today I'm going to be doing a Lush Christmas gift set unboxing. This one here is called Christmas Bath Time Favorites and it retails for $89.95. So it is in this just cardboard shaped present wrapped in a green bow with purple string. And it just has these like bath bombs all over it. There is some like reindeer and stuff like that on it. So I picked this one up. It has a lot of good products inside. There are 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 11 Lush products in here and they are all bath bombs. So I figured this would be great for just having some products that I could use for cocktails and things like that. So we're just gonna open our own up and see what all is inside this gift set. So I'm just gonna start by unknotting. I don't want to cut my string, so I hope I can do this with just my fingers. I got my strings untied, so next is the ribbon. These are always wrapped so nicely. And with the Lush gift sets, you are going to pay a little more. If you were to individually purchase the products, you wouldn't pay as much. But, you know, you're paying for the packaging. You're paying for the time that it went in to wrap them and package them up. So they're still really awesome to give and get as gifts, though. Especially, and I really like when I can reuse the packaging, and even with this cardboard box, you definitely could still reuse it. So the only, oh my goodness. The only thing is with gift sets is it is a little bit of a gamble as far as you're not quite sure what the condition is of the products, since these are, you know, moving along in transit for a while before they even get to the stores. They usually do package them really well though, so I'm hoping there's none that is like, you know, busted and powdery. So let's see. Okay, so when you first open it, there was this piece of cardboard here that says Lush Christmas, and our gift set was lovingly packed by Cora's team. There's our sticker. And with all gift sets, you always get a little pamphlet inside, and it tells you everything that is included in the gift set, as well as, you know, just like a little general description of the product. So here is what it looks like when you open it up. You can see everything is just kind of packed with the cheese bubbles around it. So let's just start pulling stuff out. Alright, so our first bath bomb is the Snow Fairy Jelly Bath Bomb. I did want to do a cocktail that involves this particular bath bomb, so I'm glad that it was in this gift set, so now I have it for a cocktail. Let's see, there is the Snowman Bomb Bomb. And let me get him the correct way. So this one is just as creepy as the one I did a demo of. I can't get behind this gaping mouth hole that he has. Like, I could understand if maybe it resembled a carrot to some degree or something, but it's not. It's just this weird freaking pink mouth. It's weird. But this is one of those that are 2 bath bombs in one kind of thing, and he has just a spearminty mint smell. He made beautiful ice blue bath water. So got him in there. Next is a Golden Wonder bath bomb, and this one is just gorgeous. It's so, so beautiful. And again, this one I want to do a cocktail with as well. So I'm excited. I have this plan, and yeah, so hopefully that looks really cool with what I am thinking it's gonna go great with. So got one of those. Next is the Holy Night Bath Bomb. This one was really fun. I did like just the uniqueness of how it looked. And just overall, I was a fan of this one. So I'm excited to see it in this gift set. And with all of these, I do have demos up of every single one of these bath bombs. So if you're curious to see what it looks like in the bath water, they are here on my channel. Next, we have a Butter Bear. And he is just a favorite of mine. I remember one year Lush came out with a Butter Bear tin, and it was just full of nothing but Butter Bears. It was like one of the best Lush gift sets in my opinion, because I'm a big fan of Butter Bear. So I am excited to have one of him. He is one of my faves. Next we have a Cheery Christmas, which looks like this. This was really fun. I liked like when you put it in and the water just kind of like went into that imprint of the snowflake. It was just really pretty to watch. It was a nice pinky purple. So got one of those, and I'm not sure if I have a cocktail in mind for that one or not. I will have to look. I was just writing down ideas of cocktails, and I'm not sure if I had one thought up for Cheery Christmas. But I do want to show you some of these cheese curl balls. They are, actually all of them are, they're all shaped like little snowflakes, which is nice and festive. And you can kind of see there's another like cardboard kind of divider, which is nice. So those bath bombs that were on top aren't, you know, going against the bath bombs that are on the bottom. So our next one is the Luxury Lush Pud. And again, I have a cocktail for this that I am thinking about doing, and I'm really excited about that. I know people were really upset that Lush changed the scent of the Luxury Lush Pud because it's now comforter scent, but to me, it's the good sweet comforter smell. I think it smells really nice. So I haven't done a demo of the new Luxury Lush Pud as far as the change in scent one. I haven't tried it yet, so I can't say for sure if I'm gonna like the scent so much in the tub as far as the changeover of the scent. But the Luxury Lush Pud itself as a bath bomb is absolutely awesome, so I'm excited for that. And then we have a World's Smallest Disco, and this one is really cool as far as it's similar to me look-wise as Luxury Lush Pud, but just darker. I do remember there was some cleanup involved with it, but I still really liked it. I thought it was neat. Just, doesn't it though? Like it's Luxury Lush Pud, but black instead of pink, basically. So that was in this one. And there is, ooh yeah, we got a Lord of Misrule in this gift set. And oh my gosh, this one is, I really like it a lot, but my boyfriend absolutely loves it. He just actually took a Lord of Misrule bath today, so he's probably gonna try and steal that one from me. So I probably will let him though. Next is a Pearl de Sel bath bomb, and this one here, it's just, when you look at it, like if you were going in the shop, you don't know what the bath bomb is going to really look like in water kind of thing. I would probably look past this one, but it was so, so, so gorgeous, and there's so much shimmer in this. It just makes for a rolling is roiling a word? I'll go with rolling, just shimmer in the water. It is so, so beautiful. And it smells like the snow cake fragrance. So it has just a nice sweet almondy smell to it. So yes, I have an idea for that one. And then our last bath bomb that is in this gift set is a Shoot for the Stars. And this one, again, super, super gorgeous. Very, very nice blue watercolor, and those gold cocoa butter stars make for just a gorgeous bath. This one is one that I would love to take like the night before Christmas. It's just so, so nice. And just kind of relaxing too, in my opinion. It has the Honey I Washed the Kids fragrance. So it's just like a nice, light, sweet toffee smell. Oh, it smells so, so good and so pretty. And it's so funny. Like, there's this edge on this one. Like, I guess when it came out of the mold, it has like a big old edge to it. But that is that everything? That's everything. That is all of the bath bombs that are in this Christmas Bath Time Favorites Lush gift set. So this one's really awesome if you are a big fan of bath bombs, because that's all that's in this gift set. And like I said, I plan on doing cocktails with a lot of these, so that was one of the main reasons I wanted to get it. Not only for the cocktail and the bath bombs, but I was like, hey, I could do an unboxing of a Lush gift set. I wish I could do unboxings of like every Lush Christmas gift set, but I'm not at that point in my YouTube career right now that I'm able to afford such a thing. But yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this. You'll have to let me know down in the comments what you are loving this year from Lush for Christmas right now. And also, if you yourself have any suggestions for Lush cocktails, specifically using Christmas-related products, then let me know down in the comments, and I will see if I can maybe do any of them. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you next time.